Here's a 1968 Ford Galaxie 500 four-door sedan, unique especially in classics. This thing is like a time capsule. Wait till we get around to the interior, check it out a little closer, look underneath the hood. 302 V8 power, that's paired up with an automatic transmission, FMX. Power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front chrome, grille. And remember, this vehicle is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Gulfstream Aqua is the original color of this car. Still looking very much like it would have back in 1968. And take a look down these body panels. I want to show you, especially the lower rockers, around the wheel wells. Take a look at the condition of this thing. Very solid car. Always been in our area here, according to the previous owner. Believed to be original miles, which judging by the interior, the engine bay, 82,935 is what the odometer shows. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior, but very believable that that could be the original miles. And we'll take a look under the hood in just a bit. First, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the chrome on the rear. It's where the car was sold new. Still retains the original dealer sticker. And again, take a look at the undersides, the interior, engine bay, UniqueClassicCars.com. You can see paint shows well. Is it perfect? No, but are the nicks or a touch-up very few and far in between? Absolutely. Another thing to remember is we have an open door policy. If you can't make it here yourself, maybe you're out of state, time restraints, you want somebody to take a look at this car, inspectors are always welcome. You want to have a third-party inspector come in and check this car out, feel free. Not a problem. We try to represent them as fairly as we can through all the pictures and the videos. Be a driving video of this also, so you can see it going down the road. You know this thing just has to cruise down the road. Very smooth. And again, paint shows well. Interior, aqua interior, cloth vinyl combination. And it appears to be original to me. Take a look at these door panels. You'll be able to see the door tag, data plate in the still picture. So if you want to do any decoding there, feel free to. And again, take a look at the interior. Original. Few signs of light wear, as you can see there. Let's take a look at the rear. Also in great condition. Headliner intact. Now, of course, if you see all the seat belts in the front, you remember you have a lap belt and a shoulder belt for driver and passenger in 1968. And there's your shoulder belt up there. Aftermarket stereo and equalizer has been added underneath the dash. That is working. Blower fan works, wipers work. Let's fire it up. Oh, easily that 302 starts. Fires right up, top of the dash. Considering the condition of that, this car has not sat outside much, if at all. Stored indoors. Radio working fine. Slip around back and listen to this. What you'd expect. No crazy exhaust or anything over the top. Just a nice sounding 302. slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. We'll pop this hood open. Check out this engine bay. But first, let's take a look. I'm going to show you the lower portion of this driver's side too, like we did on the passenger side. Look at those lower rockers. And again, take a look at the still pictures at the underside of this car. Like I said, this is kind of like a time capsule. Just looks like it's straight out of 1968. Let me pause this a second to get that hood open. Look how nice and clean and tidy that underside of the hood is. And then look at this engine bay. Aluminum radiator has been added. Look at the inner fenders. Original stickers. Same as the one with the valve cover. Look at how clean that is. Like I said, previous owner believed to be original miles. And another thing to look at is how clean this engine bay is. Lack of corrosion. There's a battery disconnect there. There's also been service work done to this within the last 2 years. We just hit on these things real quick before we finish this up. Like I mentioned, the aluminum radiator was added. Front brakes, those are disc. Brake booster and master cylinder, which you can see, those are newer. Again, all within the last 2 years. All 4 shocks. New starter, battery, tranny pan gasket, U-joint and tie rods, all serviced within the last 2 years. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. You can call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you see all the pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1968 Ford Galaxie 500. Very nice color on this car, teal on the outside. Also kind of a teal on the inside. Very nice condition. The carpet, the seats, the door panels, the headliner all appear very new. Great condition. This car starts and idles and drives like it's very low mile as well. Good acceleration in this car. Our fuel gauge is reading a quarter. If I let go of the wheel, maybe a slight list to the left, but she stays pretty straight. Horn works. The original radio does not power up under the dash. We have a Kenwood mounted in its own enclosure. That also does not power up. Our wipers working well. Power steering is amazing. This era of cars seems like you could do the pinky steer without any effort, and this is one of those. Our brakes are working well. Blower motor also functions well. This car is a nice quiet idle and a good rumble when you get on it. Very strong runner. Comfortable car, lots of room, spacious interior. Take a look at all the pictures and read about all the details of the 68 Ford Galaxie 500 at UniqueClassicCars.com.